Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create system restore shortcut in Windows 10. Guys, it's very easy and simple method. One or two steps we can know how to create system restore shortcut in Windows 10. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Let's start our video. Guys, first right click anywhere in desktop and click on new and click on shortcut. Guys, I will give you one code in description. You comment me, I will give you. Then copy it, this comment, then paste it. This I will give you and you comment. Then click on this name and here you type system. Yes, you can see system restore. Then click on finish. That's it. You can see here. This is system restore. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Thank you.